You don't need anybody to order for you. I've ordered like 5 times on AliExpress. Show you like the key points that I look out for when ordering for. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Pamela. Just in case you're seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, welcome. So this channel is all about natural hair, skincare, lifestyle, and every other thing in between. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to order on AliExpress step by step by yourself. You don't need anybody to order for you. And I'm going to be showing you a video guide. So the video guide is going to be on the screen. So while I explain, you're actually seeing what I'm saying. And if you've not checked out my previous AliExpress video where I explained the basics you need to know before you like set up your AliExpress account, make sure you check out that video. The link is going to be in the description box down below. It is very important so that you can actually understand. Sure you get. I've ordered like 5 times on AliExpress and I've spent over maybe over 45,000. Not only my order, like I ordered for my friends and my sisters also, so that actually accumulated all the price. But nonetheless, I've ordered like really quality items from AliExpress, and that is why I'm also sharing my opinions about the platform with you. So let's just get right into today's video. Just in case you hear any external noise, I'm in the hostel. I'm back to school. Like school has resumed. So please just ignore any external noise you might actually hear. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is after you've already installed your app. If you've watched my previous video, you already see that I've showed you how to set up your AliExpress app. So this is me trying to order like basic items like jewelries in general. So this is me trying to order jewelries, and I'm just showing you how to get quality jewelries, like really quality jewelries that can last you quite a number of like months or weeks, depending on how far you use them or how well you use them. So once you click on the jewelry part, you're going to click on earrings. I actually like that have free shipping, because once it's free shipping, you can use the money that you're meant to use to ship to actually buy another item, but it might take quite a number of time to like come back to Nigeria. But nonetheless, around like maximum of 3 months, or most times most of my orders come within the range of 2 to 4 or 5 weeks max. So I will click on earrings free shipping. So once I click on earrings free shipping, for me to be able to choose the earring I want to order, I am going to click on the earring that I see as a lot of people, like a lot of orders. For instance, this one on top that says top rated, you can see that over 9,000 people have ordered that set of earrings. So one thing you need to know that is very important is that when you want to order on AliExpress, you need to look at the number of orders that particular item already has. So if you are seeing a particular set of earrings is having like 11,000 orders, and you're seeing one that has like 200 orders, I would advise you check the one of 11,000 orders, because it's most likely like that earring is legit and you're going to get your money's worth. But if you go and order the one that is 200 orders, not that it might not be legit, but most of the times the ones that have like higher orders are always better than the ones that have lower orders. Do you get what I mean? Like wholesalers buy from the ones that have higher orders most of the time. Another thing I also do is that once I've already clicked on it, I also check for reviews. So if I see negative comments, I'm not going to buy the item. But if I see that out of like 10 comments is only 2 negative comments that I see, I'm actually going to get the item. And most of the time, people that drop reviews also drop pictures. And I also check that in my parents' country, Nigeria, people have ordered it, because most times if you see that an item you want to order that people in your country have not ordered it, it might take months for you to get it. For instance, I ordered a particular like set of nails press-ons, and it took like close to 3 to 4 months before I actually got it. Like I even forgot about the order. It was now when like the post office sent me a message that I had a new order, and I knew I did not order anything that like previous months. Make sure that you check that your country most times has already ordered, and most of the time you already see that Nigerians have already ordered. Then next thing I'm also showing you is on how to also get like necklaces. This video is not only to show you how to get jewelries, it's just to show you like the key points that I look out for when ordering for my orders. So this order, I'm just showing you like the basic things I ordered. I already have things in my cart that I was going to clear. So this one for the necklaces, I always look for reviews in terms of is it non-tarnish, how long did it last, because I ordered a particular necklace, an Aris necklace from AliExpress, and the day I wore it was the day it actually faded. But I got my money's worth, because I think I ordered it around like 250 naira, and I only wanted it for my birthday photo shoot. So immediately I took the pictures. I didn't like really need it more. It was only the pendant I needed, and I was already okay with it. Once I see that the reviews are okay, I'll add it to my cart. So this is how my cart looks like. I ordered some skincare items, and also for the skincare items I ordered, I made sure that it was like skincare sheet masks. I cannot order skincare products like serums, maybe face wash, face creams from AliExpress. I do not think it's safe. Personally, that's my opinion. I don't think it's safe. But packaged products like a face sheet masks, I can actually order it from AliExpress because I see that like they bring it from China, so basically it's safe. Then I always see these like straws in TikTok videos, especially those spend a day with me videos. So I decided to order it. Let me even show you the straws. I think I have it in my stomach. So most of the orders that I was showing you on the phone, I've actually received everything. This is the straws, and it's actually quality, and it is stainless steel, so it's actually going to last me. It's meant to be 5, but I gave one to my sister, and yeah, I have 4 left. Then for the skincare sheet masks, like I told you, this is it. Skincare sheet masks was for my sister, but this one that she gave me, this is it, and I'm going to use it and try it out. So if you also check out my skincare Sunday, where I like drop like skincare reviews, I drop like product recommendations that I use for my skin. As you can see, my skin is actually looking good, it's looking better, so ensure you check out that series. I'm going to leave the link to the playlist in the description box down below. When I place my order, I put it in a setting that it shows in dollars, but once I want to check out, you can look at the lower part where it says approximately NGN, so it shows me what I actually order in naira, so I know that I'm still within my budget for the month. And so I just make sure that I select everything to see if I overspent. If you notice clearly, I ordered most things that have like free shipping, quality items that had free shipping, and a few things that had shipping fee, like the stickers. And the stickers are actually very, very beautiful. When it came, it was very nice. I'll be using that for my clients in OAU. Let me like plug myself. I also like offer hair care services, so make sure you like book me for your hair care services. My services are quality and painless, so ensure you book me. I also offer like consultations, and these consultations are not limited to only females. Most of the consultations I've even had, they were for males. So yes, males can also grow their hair. Don't be of the opinion that males cannot grow their hair. Come and grow your hair with me, and come and get like your product recommendations with me. So when I was like done with my orders, you can see that my entire order for that month was 7,474 naira. Another thing you need to know is that when you pay, you know it is 7,474, your bank is still going to charge you extra. I didn't know this on my first order, so when I placed that order, then I think it was approximately like maybe 8,000 naira or so. Then when they debited me, I saw that they debited me like around 9,000 naira. I was not like, where did this money go missing? Then I now like did a little bit of research and found out that your bank will actually charge you also, since you're banking like from another country, international banking, and it depends on your bank. Like for instance, I use First Bank, so their own charges are a bit higher than others. And I'm also going to do another video where I show you the new method that I used to order from AliExpress, because like we all know that we have been restricted from using like MasterCard, Visa card to order from like overseas, thanks to our you know who. So now right now we're using another method, but because of they've not verified my account on that app, that's why I've not yet shared it. Once they verify my account and I order using that app, I'm actually going to tell you about that method, because it's a virtual dollar card, unlike the normal dollar card that you get from your bank and you still pay $100 for. This one is much cheaper. You can do it on your phone. Another thing you also need to know is that I have like there's a system on AliExpress where you can get like coins from playing their games and from visiting the app every day. So when I visit the app every day, I got like maybe around 130 something coins. So that is why you can see at the end of the video that it was like a discount because I used part of my coins. No, you cannot use your 100 coins at once. They are the ones that will determine the number of coins you can use. That's another important thing. So that's basically all on today's video. If you found it helpful, kindly ensure to share this video with another person, with your friend, with somebody else, anybody. Ensure to share this video. Please ensure to share this video, and do not also forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And ensure to also check out my other videos in the description box down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.